Makogalo en ni koro jakom mar Gor Mahia Francis Wasuna koro telo ne kweth jotelo mag Gor Mahia mar kwayo johera makogalo mondo gine ni gibiro gichopo e tugo mar Gor Mahia ma gibiro romo kanyo chieng' Jumapil to kod Talanta FC. Wasuna wacho kanyo ni koro duoko manyoro mabende koro nowuok e kind Gor Mahia to kod Mathare nen ranyisi maber ahinya ni kogalo bro dhi timo maber ahinya kata tukego mago mabiro. Notene kanyo kod jotelo pogore moriwo nyaka jagoro mongirore Gor Mahia mano migosi Sam Ochola.
Could we make a point of building on from the results of yesterday, where we earned our 3 points by beating Mathare United 1-0. I pray that as many fans as possible turn up on Sunday at Kasarani to cheer the boys to yet another victory against Talanta. Talanta are newbies in the league. They are doing pretty well. It should be a closely contested match, but we are very confident after assurances from the players and the technical bench that the win on Sunday yesterday is the beginning of more wins in the coming matches. And so come one, come all on Sunday, watch entertaining football, cheer the boys to victory so that we get yet another 3 points. Thank you very much.